Guys, I'm Dr. Sameer Estogi. Would like to highlighting the list of top pharmaceutical companies in India in 2020 on the basis of market capitalization as of April 2020. Guys, today India is among the countries with an established domestic pharmaceutical industry with a strong network of 3,000 national and multinational drug companies and more than 10,500 manufacturing units. The pharmaceutical sector in India was valued at 33 billion US dollar in 2017 and contribute the second largest share of pharmaceutical and biotech workforce in the world. The Pharma Vision 2020 by the Government Department of Pharmaceuticals aims to make India a major hub for end-to-end drug discovery. India current foreign direct investment, that is FDI policy, allow 100% FDI under automatic route and greenfield pharmaceutical projects and up to 100% FDI under government approval in brownfield projects. So the top one is Sun Pharmaceutical Industry, the second Cipla, third is Aurobindo Pharma, third is Dr. Reddy's Laboratory Limited, and fifth is Lupin, sixth Glenmark Pharmaceutical, seven Cadila Healthcare Limited, Torrent Pharmaceutical Limited at 8th position, and the 9 Intas, at the 10th is Mankind Pharma. Going forward, better growth in domestic sale would also depend on the ability of the companies to align their product portfolio towards chronic therapies for disease such as cardiovascular, anti-diabetic, antidepressant, and anti-cancer that are on the rise. The Indian government is constantly taking several steps to reduce cost and bring down healthcare expenses and a measure to provide a healthy lifestyle to even poor people. The government is also focusing on the introduction of generic drugs into the market and is expected to benefit the Indian pharmaceutical companies.